applying double strike through or simply achieving a naira sign. You use it. Now many people think that naira sign is this. No, this is not our currency sign. The original naira sign is N double strike through. So to achieve it, you highlight the N. When you highlight the N, you go to front tab, that is at the home menu. You click for the dialog button. You see double strike through. You mark the button or you mark the box. Now look at the preview, is already there. You click OK. It implies instantly. Now you can give a space. If you want to remove it, that is the same process. You just highlight, go back there, you just unmark, you say OK, it's out. So let me place it back again. You go back here, you click here to mark the button, you say OK.